The fourth video I am showing you for AEP 800's Module 15, New Technologies assignment is called funbrain.com. I chose this because I think it would be a great I'm done now what website for students and a good starting technology station for math games and reading games. So let's see what it's all about. So I'm going to click third grade because that's what I teach. I teach third and fourth combined at a small K-12 school. So students can watch video series and engage in that sort of learning and then play games also. So let's see what this swarm is all about. It says it's compatible for all grades. How to play Gobble Up June Bugs. So this is pretty easy. It doesn't take much thinking. Let's go to reading. Major series, Diary of Whipping Kids. You can read that. I think this kind of like Epic. This part of it is kind of like Epic where you can read the books online. And it's kind of like Netflix for kids, and students seem to love reading online versus an actual book, which that's our day and age. Play Zone, the pre-K, so for preschoolers, and let's check out the Math Zone. Math Baseball, so real life scenarios. Reinforcing different content areas is the objective and goal that I would have using this website. I would probably stress or make students aware of this is the subject you can play on now. So during math centers, if this is what I had scheduled for planned for technology, I would say only go to the math zone. So like this fresh baked fractions looks pretty cool. And what a great and fun way to just do easy, to have students practice. So you're shown 4 fractions, and then there are 3 fractions that are equivalent. They can all be simplified. Click on the fraction that's not. So lots of fun real world examples. Click to select. Easy. Let's check out 4th grade. 4th and 3rd are probably pretty similar. So I know you learn fractions end of 3rd, middle of 3rd, and then really get into them in 4th. So great website to look at those different content areas and lessons. The ISTE standards, let me pull that up real quick. Obviously, this website is geared towards students. They could, if they have internet access at home, they could easily get on it. It doesn't take any logging in, so they don't have to remember a password, which is great. The ISTE standards that fit funbrain.com are 1B, which states engage students in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources. So this website is our digital tool, and like the fraction, fresh baked fraction, that's a real-world problem. And like we saw before, I think it was in 3rd grade, there was a baseball math game. So showing kids that math isn't just all these equations and problems, they can fit into the real world. That is one of my #1 goals in math, is to show students how it connects. Another standard is 2C, which states customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and abilities to use digital tools and resources. So this website, students can browse and find games that fit what they need to work on most. I, as a teacher, can go through beforehand and pick out games that I want students to do because I know what students are struggling with, and I can make it more individualized and pick which game they should do. So that is Fun Brain. Hope you enjoyed.